Virus vaccine is now supposed to be available to a new group of people, including teachers and grocery store workers. But we've learned many are having trouble getting appointments for their first and second doses. Here's News 13's Brittany Bade.
Kim, if people are having trouble on the registration website, they're supposed to be able to call the vaccine hotline, but that hotline is overwhelmed.
Regarding the hotline, we are expanding our workforce. So we're increasing the number of people who will man those lines so that we can avoid having delays in getting through.
The DOH says they are now hiring more people to staff that hotline, and they hope to have 21 people tasked with answering calls from all over the state by Wednesday. And by the end of next week, they plan on having 41 people. As for people having trouble getting appointments for their first dose, Dr. Collins says to be patient as it all depends on supply of the vaccine. Now, people who are waiting for their second dose, which should be administered 21 days later for Pfizer and 28 for Moderna, should get a notification telling them when and where they should go. But that also depends on availability. Dr. Collins says there was an issue with that notification system, but claims it has now been fixed. But we have received multiple reports of people just today still not getting those notifications or are unable to schedule for their second dose.
Now we have people set up to where when it's time for their second dose and the site where they can go and get the second dose, they have availability, so they have doses. We then send them a message to go to that site. So we are following up with these people. It's just that when we initially started, we did not have that set up. So there is improvement now.
The DOH is also considering a chat feature on the website and is working on a plan to help people who do not have regular internet access get registered. As far as distribution goes, the state has administered more than 78,000 doses of the vaccine, 30,000 of those happening within the last week. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Brittany. Now, officials say 400,000 New Mexicans have registered for the vaccine, and they're still encouraging everyone to sign up.